Another 5-star review here at the Parker County Beef Company. Let's talk about it. Dwayne kept it nice and simple. Let us know we're doing a good job. He says, I like this company. They have great quality beef. You can keep up with the shipment. That's because we send tracking emails 4 different times in the shipping process, and the customer service reaches out to you to make sure you had a great experience. Well, Dwayne, thank you very much. I'm glad you did have a great experience. Hey, if you're looking for a 5-star beef experience, I'd probably go to parkercountybeefcompany.com or come see us here in person in Springtown, Texas.